Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Reality Shows free app on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions to watch reality TV content. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and navigate to the search function. Search for Downloader and install the app. Step 2. Open Downloader and click on the URL input field displayed on the screen. Step 3. Enter the downloader code for Reality Shows free app and press Go to initiate the download. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download fully. You'll see a progress indicator showing the download status. Step 5. After the download completes, an installation window will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish, then click Done. Delete the APK file if you want to free up space. Step 7. Go back to your Fire Stick home screen and find Reality Shows free app in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and start watching popular reality shows, including competition shows, dating shows, lifestyle programs, and more, all available for free streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.